Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by framing precise questions and validating data access. First, state 2 or 3 business questions and why answers matter. This guides scope. Next, inventory your sources and note formats and time ranges so you can plan cleaning. Once done, set success criteria. Choose one primary metric and acceptable thresholds, which tells you when analysis is actionable. Make sure to log assumptions and missing fields now, because catching these early prevents rework later and keeps the report focused. You now execute cleaning and exploratory analysis. Begin with schema checks and deduplication, then apply consistent rules for missingness. Drop when sparse, impute when justified, so results are defensible. Once data is stable, write reproducible transformation scripts and version them to preserve lineage. Then perform targeted exploration. Summary stats, distributions, and correlation checks to surface signals. Use quick visual prototypes to validate patterns. This helps you decide models or aggregations. After that, prepare concise tables and charts that directly answer your initial questions. You finish by assembling a concise, actionable report and validating it. Start with a 1-paragraph executive summary listing 3 clear takeaways and recommended next steps so readers act quickly. Then document methods, assumptions, and data lineage in an appendix for reproducibility and audit. Make sure to run QA, sanity checks, sample-level validation, and a short stakeholder review loop to catch misinterpretations. If numbers disagree, recheck joins, time zones, and filters. Those are the most common causes and your first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.